How to download TaskRabbit app in your Android device. Now in order to download TaskRabbit app in your Android device, you just simply need to go into your Play Store and in there search for TaskRabbit. Then this application of TaskRabbit Handyman Randall's application will appear in your Play Store. You just simply need to open the application and tap to install button. But the TaskRabbit app is not available in every single region, so you can only do that if this application is available in your region. I cannot show you by downloading the app because it is not available in my area as well. But if you have the application available in your area, you can also open the browser and search for TaskRabbit app. Then you can directly tap into this install button right here and it will redirect you to Google Play Store and you can very easily download the application from Google's Play Store, again depending on if it is available in your region or not. So this is how you can very easily download TaskRabbit. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.